As you realize, every time I'm running, there is no paragraph or return key to go next line. How can I do that? Actually, we could use two methods. As I mentioned before, you could use Word Object Control, or we could use the Visual Basic Code style. I will cover both in this video. How the macro create a return or paragraph. Record macro. Just record, press enter or return key, and stop. Let's go to the Visual Basic inside of my macro, and there it is. This is the command. Selection.typeParagraph. I could copy or cut that. Allow me to remove the whole subroutine. Go to the user form, my button, and add the command here. Selection.typeParagraph. Let's try it. I'm going to Word. I remove these values. Okay. Run macro. Sam Mansell. Run, and there it is. Another method, which is generic and you could apply on other programs too, if it is supporting VBA, is using Visual Basic Code. Instead of that, actually I could by the very end here use ampersand and type VBCR, which it is carriage return. Actually, it is applying like pressing enter key. And because inside of Microsoft Word, pressing enter or return key make paragraph, so it is getting same result. Go to the Word, I remove them. Macro, run macro, Alex, Jonas, run the macro. And there it is. We get exact same result. But the benefits of using this method, you could apply this code exactly in any application support VBA.